Guku ni kuo Lagat akoretwo agita mucii kwa ihinda ria mieri 3 iria akoretwo kuo thabari-ini yake ya kugeria gutigana na njohi iria cianangite muturire wake. Thina wake wambiriirie miaka 4 mihituku riria atigithirio wira ruhonge-ini rwa borithi ya Recce thutha wake kuremwo ni gucoka wira ihinda riria riagiriire akigeria gutungatira mutumia wake uria aroiga watoretio ni murimu wa kansa. Mutumia wake akua kiremwo ni gwitiria ihuhukanio icio na nirio orire njohi-ini undu uria watumire muturire wake uharagane ona makiria.
Ikanifanya to extend nikajingiza kazi ya kupiga mawe, kukunywa pombe.
Andu a nyumba ya Lagat ni mamwitikirite ringi undu uria uhuthitie rugendo rwake. Ihoya riake ni korwo aratona andu aitura mamwitikira na mamuhe kanya kangi.
Nikitoka hapa juu nimemaliza program, I'm now focused with my future life. I admit to the government, if given a chance to be reinstated, I'll actually say thanks.
When they go out, there is all again misconceptions about what that means, but what is needed most is support at work, at home, in churches, communities all over.
Kuringana nake uyu urario muyuro uria mutigite ari na hinya na makiria wa gutindikana na muturire na ihuhukanio ciaguo. Mwihoko wake alikorwo a Kenya metikira kwiyaragia riria mari na gathina handu ha gukiraga na niguo magateithika.
Nikitoka hapa juu nimemaliza program, I'm now focused with my future life. I admit to the government, if given a chance to be reinstated, I'll actually say thanks.
Somebody going through this, the triggering point is because of frustration, stress, particularly because of employment or lack of funds. Please make sure that you can afford him employment. Don't look at him and look at his ugly past.
Lagat no umwe wa Kenya ingi aria morire njohi-ini kumana na moritu maria macemanitie namo muturire-ini. Kugitira maundu ta maya hari bata andu guthikanagiriria ona guteithania riria mona mundu ari na undu uramugia. Giribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.